Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX, we're up in here, and we got a westbound CSX freight, close to like 1:59, 2 o'clock. I heard him just trying to warn us right now from the Bolivar area, and then he also just met that fast stacker, and the previous video was 3170. And then, and now this guy's coming now. I heard he has a K5 LA, it sounds like. And he should be appearing any sec. Yep, there he is. Yup, and it seems like we got a fast stacker. It seems like he is. There he goes. Nice K5 LA.